Plumbing Techniques program is a one-year certificate designed to get you job site ready. This is a hands-on program built around real plumbing work. You learn how to use industry tools and materials, install and test drainage and water systems, and work with residential plumbing fixtures. You also learn how to read blueprints, estimate material and labor, and apply building codes and safety standards. It's not just about doing the work, it's about understanding how and why the systems are built the way they are. By the end of the program, you will have the foundational skills employers expect when hiring entry-level apprentices into the plumbing and related trades.
I had a bit of experience coming in, shop class and a co-op in high school, but nothing major. I still wasn't sure what to expect. At George Brown, it's hands-on right away. You're using the tools, building systems, and actually doing the work. That's what built my confidence. I feel ready to step onto a job site now.
This is where you build your entry point into the plumbing trade with hands-on training, real systems experience, and a strong understanding of codes and installation. You will be ready to pursue your apprenticeship opportunities with confidence.